What is up, YouTube? This is Enzo Rides coming at you with another video. It is about 11:30 at night here in Fontana. We are going to Mammoth. My buddy Kyle is picking me up right now. We're gonna do an all-nighter, bust ass to Mammoth. Now we're gonna ride all day and then we're gonna come back. So I'll try to document the whole trip as it goes with the phone. Insta360, don't matter. But we are going to go ahead and get my Capita UltraFear set up with the Union step-on bindings, and let's go. First things first, check it out. All in her glory. Sick. Just busted out a freshie. Capita UltraFear. About to hook up them Union step-ons. Get it cracking. It's about to look sick, bro. First things first. You want to take a screwdriver. Oh, this one's kind of big. And you want to go ahead, release this screw. Once that's all the way out, slide your binding forward for the cover. Boom. Now we are off and we have access to mount the discs. So with these, you get options. You get the channel discs, and then you get the actual 4x2 disc. We're broke and we don't have a Burton board, so we're gonna be using the 4x2 disc because we don't have a channel system. So let's go. Once you got them mounted on, you put your camber disc on. Just like that. So my setup, it's gonna be, so let's see, 30, 15, 0. So what is that? That's like 10. I don't know what that is. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So it's 3. So I'm going to be 12 right here. It'll be 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. So I'm set up to 12. So I think I'm going to go 12 and 12. I was running 15 on the other ones. So let's see. So we'll do 15. We will take, hard to focus. Bam. Here we go. We'll take our hardware, which is already pre-Loctited. And I can't even get no focus with this thing. Sorry, y'all. Boom. Pre-Loctited. Boom. So let's go. And there it is. We got the camber disc plates mounted up with the hardware. Remember, the provided bolts already come with Loctite already installed or already spread on, so go ahead and install it. Always, if you want more, always use the blue. Never use the red because the red is permanent. Some people, I know you guys probably know the difference, but I've seen people use it on like brake hardware, all kinds of stuff. Just the red Loctite, and it's a pain to get off. You usually have to take a torch to it, burn it off. But so yeah, we got this mounted up. And yeah, so this was kind of hard to go ahead and put pressure on the plate and then put enough pressure to reach the bolt down into the threads of the snowboard. So what I did was I just took a bolt without the camber disc or anything, and I just pre-threaded, and I went ahead and tightened it and installed it to go ahead and put pressure down onto the disc into the snowboard to create enough of a reach for my bolts to grab. So yeah, I raw dogged this one with no washer, just the bolt, put it onto the disc, tightened it by hand just a little bit just to create that pressure, like I said, and then next to it, I installed the camber disc. I was actually able to put the bolt down and reach into the threads. So then I threaded that one, just hand tight, and then threaded this one, just hand tight, but enough so that it holds enough pressure. So when I put this one on, I took the bolt out, this was already installed, put the other camber disc, bolted it down, and it worked out great. So Some of you may have to do that, just keep that in mind. And then once that's installed, you take your union plate right here, bam, and you just go ahead and it slides in. So I think it, I slide it in just to clear this. So yeah, just boom, slide in. Once it's locked right there, now you have the bolt. Don't forget you have the bolt right here, bam, and it just, you can adjust it to where you need it. So I'm actually gonna try out one and see how that goes. Just get it past the put enough pressure, I guess, to install it. And then yeah, you can slide it to your perfect measurement. You can go all the way down. Oh, I think it actually has to be a little more loose. Yeah. Come all the way. I actually don't know what's going on. Let's check it out. Oh, that might be it right there. Okay. So yeah, so enough just to slide right there. You could go 1, you can go 2, you can go 0, just depending on your boot size. So you know, just go ahead and do whatever you gotta do. So for me, I think 0 is good. We could take the boot and see what works best. Got the boot over here. Got the right boot. And we'll just go ahead and get this in, see how it works. Boom. Locked in. Locked in. Locked in. So then you can adjust however you feel comfortable. I think I'll pull mine out maybe to about 1 or 2 and see how it lines up. So, but yeah, that's it. Whatever you do to the first side, do to the second side. So I'm running a -12 right here, +12 right here for that twin setup. I think that's how it is. This side's positive because it's forward. This side's negative because it's backwards. So to give it that true twin setup. And that's it. That's how the setup looks. So, but yeah, guys, thanks for watching. This is set up. We're gonna get out and shred, see how it does. You like this type of content, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, drop a comment, what you guys think, how's it look. I'll get these adjusted, dialed in, and we'll let you know how they ride. Thanks for watching.